Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a handy new feature on the WhatsApp PC app that lets you send images as documents. This can help preserve the quality of your photos when sharing them. Let's get started. First, open the individual or group chat where you want to send your image. This could be a conversation with a friend or a work group. Just choose the right chat for your needs. Next, look for the attach icon, which resembles a paperclip. Click on it, then select Photos and Videos. This will allow you to browse your computer for the image you want to send. Once you've found the photo you'd like to share, click on it and then hit Open. This will add it to your chat, but we're not quite done yet. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the photo preview. From the drop-down menu, select Attach as Document. This is the key step that ensures your image retains its high quality when sent. Finally, simply click Send. Your image will now be transmitted as a document, ready for your recipient to download without losing any of its stunning details. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send images as documents on WhatsApp using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy chatting!